Here I am amongst all this beauty of growth and green, and I notice a tree that has died, or it certainly looks like it. And you see the bark coming off of it. It's rough. All the signs of being dead. It had grown a long time, probably what, 15 years, something like that. Gotten really tall because it runs all the way up there. But guess what? I got a surprise. It's not dead. It's trying to come back, and it's probably got another 3 or 4 years of trying to come back. Maybe that's something that we should all try to remember, to not quit, because we could actually become alive again, no matter how bad things happen. Just what it came to my mind anyway. You guys have a good life.